What if I told you that NASA's rover may have discovered clues on Mars that could change everything we know about life in the universe? Could aliens have once lived on Mars? Scientists have not found proof of alien life yet, but they have discovered something incredible. Ancient riverbeds, lake deposits, mysterious rock formations, and strange mineral-rich structures suggest that billions of years ago, Mars was a very different world. Now, hidden among the red planet's silent landscape, NASA's Curiosity rover has captured bizarre formations, unusual spheres, and strange anomalies that continue to puzzle scientists. Are these simply natural geological formations? Or could they be traces of a forgotten Martian past? Stay until the end, because what you're about to see may be one of the most mysterious discoveries ever photographed on Mars. Hidden within an ancient Martian outcrop are dark, erosion-resistant fragments unlike the surrounding rock. Scientists believe these mineral-rich inclusions may contain iron-bearing compounds, sulfates, or other dense materials formed through water-driven geochemical activity billions of years ago. As powerful Martian winds stripped away softer layers over immense periods of time, these hardened structures survived, preserving clues from a distant era. NASA named this fascinating formation Hatta, after Hatta Lake in Canada. Today we journey across one of the most remarkable regions ever explored on Mars, where strange landscapes, mysterious formations, and ancient geological records reveal a world that once looked very different from the frozen desert we see today. What you are witnessing is breathtaking 360-degree panoramic imagery captured by NASA's Curiosity rover within a hilly region known as All Valarno. At this location, Curiosity used its robotic drill to collect powdered rock samples, adding to dozens of samples gathered throughout its mission. These materials are analyzed by onboard laboratories, helping scientists uncover the secrets hidden within Mars's ancient past. This remarkable landscape lies inside Gale Crater, a massive basin that scientists believe once contained lakes and flowing water billions of years ago. But among the layered rocks and red dust, something unusual appears. A smooth, nearly perfect sphere rests on the Martian surface. Its bluish-gray color sharply contrasts with the surrounding terrain. What is it? A naturally formed concretion created by ancient groundwater? A meteorite that traveled across deep space before landing on Mars? Or evidence of geological processes we still don't fully understand? The discovery raises fascinating questions about the history of the Red Planet. This incredible panorama was created using 127 separate images captured during the rover's 3,509th Martian day. The images were later color-corrected on Earth to show how the scene might appear under Earth-like lighting conditions. Every ridge, valley, and rock formation in this panorama preserves a chapter of Martian history. On Earth, we call it erosion. On Mars, it is a record written across billions of years. From this elevated ridge, we can see landscapes carved by wind, time, and ancient environmental changes. Layered rocks stretch across the horizon, while dunes continue to shift under the influence of persistent Martian winds. Near the edge of the scene, a fractured basin attracts attention. Could this depression have once contained standing water, a shallow lake, or perhaps part of an ancient floodplain formed when Mars possessed a warmer and wetter climate? Nearby, another curious feature emerges. A dark, upright formation stands apart from the surrounding rocks. Its silhouette appears surprisingly structured, almost mechanical in appearance. Scientists caution that unusual shapes often result from natural geological processes. Yet formations like these continue to capture the imagination. Mars constantly reminds us how easily perception can transform ordinary rocks into extraordinary mysteries. Researchers believe many tilted layers visible throughout this region may have formed within ancient river deltas and sandbars created by sediments flowing into long-vanished lakes. Further ahead, soft ripples spread across the landscape. These patterns were sculpted by winds blowing across the surface for countless ages. Above them rise towering sedimentary layers, stacked like pages in a history book waiting to be read. Each layer records changing climates, shifting environments, and periods when liquid water likely moved across the Martian surface. Together, these rocks preserve evidence of rivers, lakes, sediments, and environmental conditions that may have once supported habitable environments. Yet the mysteries continue. A dark void visible within the terrain could be a fracture, an erosion feature, or perhaps part of an ancient water channel. Scientists continue studying such formations to better understand how water once shaped Mars. As we move closer, the landscape reveals surprisingly symmetrical rock patterns, intersecting plains, and straight edges that appear almost artificial at first glance. However, geological forces are capable of producing astonishing structures through natural processes alone. Even so, these formations remind us how much remains unknown. Scientists now believe Mars once possessed lakes, rivers, and perhaps even vast bodies of water covering significant portions of its surface. What happened to that world? Why did Mars transform into the cold, dry desert we see today? These questions drive ongoing exploration. Now pay close attention. Among scattered rocks and dust appears one of the most intriguing anomalies captured by the rover. At first glance, the feature resembles a small humanoid statue standing against the barren landscape. Could it simply be a rock shaped by erosion? Most likely. Yet formations like this continue to fuel curiosity and inspire new investigations into Mars's geological history. The more we explore, the more Mars surprises us. And perhaps somewhere beneath its surface, the greatest secrets of the red planet still remain hidden. One thing is certain: Mars had a past, and humanity may only be beginning to uncover its most astonishing chapters. If you enjoyed this incredible Martian discovery, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to All About Mars Space for more fascinating space explorations and cosmic mysteries.